Howdy guys, how's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing alright. I'm on my lunch break and I thought I'd give the Cheetah another run, you know? The other time when I ran this in the rain, it was actually kind of fun and I couldn't get enough of it. I wish it kept raining, but it's nice and sunny, nice and warm today. Ground's kind of dry. So yeah, let's do a little casual run, shall we? All right. And this is bone stock. Nothing has been upgraded. I'm still running on 3S, and I'm still using the 80 amp ESC that originally came with this car. This was the first generation Cheetah that I bought because I know that the other Cheetah is 120 amp ESC, and then there's another Cheetah that doesn't even look like this. It looks like a truggy rather than a truck. And then there's another one called a J Speed or JS Speed or something like that. That's another Cheetah. That's pretty awesome how JLB is coming out with different versions of Cheetahs. It's cool. And I'm actually thinking of building my own Cheetah. I'll probably call it like the Ultimate Beast or something after I build it. But that's gonna be later in the future when I do have a little bit more time and a little bit more fun saved up. And yeah, right now just having fun with whatever I got. And this is what I got. And it's tons of fun, even though this is old and you can kind of hear the gears clicking and clacking with each other because yeah, I'm pretty sure there's no type of lubricant within the differential. All of my CVD axles are all bent so they wobble. Yeah, this truck has been through a lot. This truck has been through a lot. I'm running a 3.8 Badlands Desperados. Now the tires, they're super good. I highly recommend these tires for anybody who own a Cheetah that comes with those tractor style tires, you know what I mean? Because my original tires, they look like tractor style tires, and those tires suck. They grip suck, they lose control when you're at fast speed. With these 3.8 Badlands, they're so awesome on cement, on dirt, on grass. It doesn't matter what you're riding. These tires are awesome. I even managed to pop these tires once, like they came off the rim. So I had to kind of like super glue it back onto the rim. And when I did that, it wasn't even even. Couldn't seem to evenly glue it back together because it was always coming off the rim every time I tried to press it back on. But eventually I got it onto the rim and it's not flapping around anymore, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, let's do some run. Enough of me talking. I'm loving it how it does wheelies on demand, not like the Maximus. I'm guessing because the Maximus has like a little bit of longer body from one wheel to the other. It's a little bit longer, so it does more of a drag than wheelies. I almost lost it there with that wheelie. It's nice and sunny, pretty cool today. Hope I don't face any overheating with this truck, as I usually do, all the time. But even though it's still fun, still fun. I'm loving it how it does wheelies on demand like that. It's so awesome. And that's awesome too. Don't the Cheetah look so sweet? Yikes. That was a hard crash. I hit a big old piece of wood. Look at that. Body sticking up and everything, like it's all deformed. There you go. There you go. Back to normal. Sort of. I like how my trigger is kind of sensitive. Like the moment I push it, it does a wheelie. So, oh no! I was gonna say it's so awesome and I see my front wheel all deformed. Check it out, front wheel deformed. Check out that deformation. Oh my gosh. Let's see what broke. Yeah. Alright, so we have a broken lower A-arm. And this thing here is bent. Dang. And oh, the front frame. Check it out. I'm missing a part right here. See that side? This side's gone. Wow. Oh my gosh. I hit that piece of wood pretty hard. I guess I'll end it here, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Kind of bummed out that this happened, but you know, it happens. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Please like and subscribe for more.